Hi, my name is Mette, and I'm from Denmark, Copenhagen. I teach at a private or a free school that is not part of the public schools in Denmark. Leila, you are my colleague.
Yes, I'm Leila and I'm teaching Danish and art and craft at our school. And I also have a master in Danish reading.
Yeah, so maybe I should tell that I teach biology and geology and mathematics and an important subject at our school, storytelling.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we went here because we wanted to get to know a different culture than ours. And
a big part of the course has to be out, seeing all of Cyprus and ancient places and arts actually, and hearing about the story, and that is very much alike from the way we teach. How the teachers here is teaching us by telling stories, by bringing themselves into the stories and being very personal, and they have been very inspirational. Yeah.
Yeah, and we talked about that we really loved the fact that we were exploring Cyprus and the culture more than just being in a classroom every day listening to one teacher telling us how the culture is supposed to be. But we got to experience it ourselves, and yeah, that's just amazing. And if we were going here on a holiday ourselves, I don't think that we would have experienced all the things that we actually did.
We were invited to places where the teachers here has some connection. For example, a restaurant, which made it very authentic and very much the everyday living life here in Cyprus, and that was very interesting.
Yeah. Also, I think it was very good that we began the whole week, the course, in the classroom, of course, but hearing about the historical facts, and then we went to this. Then we went to this guided tour around the city, Nicosia, with Nicholas, and he told about the city in such a way that it was just very exciting, and we got to experience it while he told the stories. And as you said, Leila, he brought himself into the stories, and it was just really, really good and a great way to start the week exploring Cyprus. Yeah,
having the foundation for the history of maybe 50 years back, and then going out seeing places around the island that is even elder.
Yeah. Also, I like that we got to explore the whole island, both the seaside and Nicosia, the capital, and also the old capital, Paphos, and the 2 days that we were in the mountains, and we got to see the botanical garden and hearing about not just culture but also the natural culture.
Yeah, the fauna.
The fauna and the flora. Yeah.
So it was all in all very diverse, and what combined it was the stories about the island and the lines that were drawn from the ancient history up till now.
I would definitely recommend this course to everybody who haven't explored the culture of Cyprus. Even though you have been here on holiday, I think you should take this course because it's such a great way to get under the skin to Cyprus culture, and it's just much more than sitting in a boring classroom. You really get to explore. And
also it has been great to be together with different nationalities, and the discussion we have had on the bus and on the daily trips has been very interesting, and we get to see both the similarities and the differences between some neighbor countries, and but also some people that we would never have met elsewhere.
Yeah, I think it's an important class to take if you want to see what Europe is also about. And because I don't think that in my everyday life I notice that we are so much alike and so much different that we actually are. Yeah. So it has been a great opportunity. Yeah.
To feel connected to the European community. Mm.